went through and did all that for you.
Thank
Okay.
you so much. Okay.
So, auto doser.
Okay.
You're just gonna lift this rock.
Oh,
And right there it is. Yeah.
Okay, beautiful.
So right there, you might have to tilt this guy a little bit.
Okay.
But what you're gonna do right now, I got it set right here because this seems like a good spot to perch. I made these a little bit more stable so you don't have to worry about them rocking while you're on there.
Great. Okay.
So what you're gonna do, remember, front and back too. It's gonna pull it out.
Okay.
You're just gonna set that to the side.
Okay.
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 And then right here, remember, this is we got you set on 3,000 gallons. So 3,000 gallons is every 28 days. But in the next 2 weeks, you got to check it in 14.
Right.
Because
Right.
right here, we're gonna hit the 2 times dosing button, and that's gonna get it, twice the power for 2 weeks.
Front loaded. Yeah.
Now on that one in there, you'll need to prime it. How you prime it is you just take this 2 times dosing button, hold it down, and it'll start blinking. You see that?
Yes.
And that means and then that'll start blinking. That means it's running chemical through the little dialysis machine right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold the
And just
2X
hold it
button.
for about 10 seconds.
Okay.
And you can see that one will be a lot easier to see the chemical coming through.
Okay.
I've got it in here right near the pump. That way it sucks right back up into the pump, and the chemicals and the and everything will go right through there.
Okay.
And like I said, all you got to do here is take your rocks back,
Yeah.
and then
Oh,
and we are good.
wonderful. It's just so
Yeah.
natural looking.
Yeah, we try our best.
Oh, you succeed. That's
Absolutely.
wonderful.
So any questions?
I get the bags on Amazon. Is there packaging where I can see exactly specifically what?
I can leave you the box.
Okay.